Hello, today on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, we're going to be doing a little bit of a low-cal dinner. I'm going to make baked cod, and some baked Brussels sprouts, and a yellow squash. Something nutritious, a little bit more low-calorie after that cruise. All right, so here we go. If I can get this situated here. Okay. We've got this cod. I'm going to get it out of the packages. And they make you think you got a lot in there, but you really don't. They're just little fillets. Years ago, we used to go to Gordon Food Service. And we used to get the nicest, thickest fillets of cod. All right, get rid of that. That whole big bag. And I got these 3 little pieces. Anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to take the cod and I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil because they say you can digest olive oil and it's good for you. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 pieces here. I'm going to put some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to just cut up a little bit of onion, like minced onion here a little bit. Try to do it little here. Sometimes I get tired of garlic all the time, so I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of onion on each one of these. And then I've got this lemon I need to use. And I'm going to put 3 thin lemon slices on it. I've got my oven preheated to 350. Yeah, there's nothing better than the smell of lemon. And I'm just going to put one of them on each piece here. And then I'm going to take these Brussels sprouts and I'm going to lay them face down. I guess these were frozen, so they already had cut them in half. That should be good. One more. And I'm going to drizzle those with just a little tiny bit of olive oil, just so that they crunch up a little bit. Mix them up a little bit. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And I'm going to put that in my 350 oven. And I'm going to set that for like 25 minutes on 350. Sorry. Goes ahead of me sometimes. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, set this off to the side. And I'm going to take my squash here, flip my thing over, get a different knife. And I'm going to slice this on my side of my grater here. I'm trying to get a little bit of weight off. But I didn't want to tell you because if I blow it, I don't want to be stuck to it. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my onion, or what's left of it from the cod, and I'm going to put that on the side of this too. You got to be careful when you do this because you can get your finger real easily. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, bring my pan over, and I'm going to put that on, I just washed it. I'm going to put that on like an 8. And I'm going to put a little bit of, just a little bit of the olive oil. And I put this in there. I'm going to fry that up together. I usually put cheese on it, but I'm not going to this time. And I'm going to put a little bit pepper, salt, and I'm gonna fry that up, and when my cod is done and this is done, I'll show you what we got. I wanted to show you the squash is coming along. I don't have a lot of oil on it, but it's doing good and it's smelling good. You can make a nice, colorful, low-calorie meal if you try. And the fish has a little more to go, so I'll be back. Okay, it's coming out of the oven. I ended up baking it for 30 minutes because I just felt like it needed to be a little bit browned to look like it, I don't know, add a little flavor. So I'm going to dish this up. Dish up my fish first. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna have 2 of these because they're small. It looks like the onions got done and everything. They look so yummy. Some of my Brussels sprouts and some of my squash. My squash pretty much went down to nothing. All right, maybe a couple more Brussels sprouts. Look at that beautiful, beautiful low-calorie dinner. And it smells so good. And I wanted to tell you, on some of my recipes, when you look in the description, I tweak my recipes a little bit sometimes. Like I made coconut cookies the other day and they were delicious, but I thought just a little bit of drizzle of dark chocolate on it would be even better. So if you notice my recipe is a little bit different, it's because I tweaked it. Like I made my peach cobbler and after it cooled down, it was fine. But when I first took it out, it was a little bit loose. And a lot of times people want to eat it warm. So I added another tablespoon of cornstarch. But anyway, these are my recipes and I do add a little bit better to the description. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I want to give a shout out to my girlfriend Pam, who is always so encouraging to me. Hi Pam, I love you. Anyway, remember there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.